and this will be your living and the dining area. The spacious kitchen is designed in such a way where you can adapt use the ample of space in this room to move around this room. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Chetal and today we are here at RLD Ultima, which is located in Kelambakam, Chennai, a project developed by RLD Builders. And today we'll be doing the sample flat tour of the project. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are here in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office of this project. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So basically this project is spread across 7.42 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers in all. So currently they have launched with Tower A and other 3 towers are for future development and launching very soon. So basically this tower will be of 2 basement ground plus 35 floors having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you 117 amenities in all. So here's the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities with garden area, kids play area, here's the multi-purpose court, swimming pool and many more amenities in the project. Now about the project location. So basically this project is located on Kelambakam Bangalore main road in Kelambakam, Chennai. So let me show you that this is the Kelambakam Bangalore main road, and this road will connect you towards ECR and OMR, and the opposite side road that is just left hand side of me will connect you towards Vanglore. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect to Chettinad Hospital in 2 minutes. Hindustan University is 5 minutes away and Sipcot IT Park is 10 minutes away from the location of the project. This is your 1504 square feet of 3 BHK. Let's have a look at it. So here's your foyer area before your main entrance, and here's the main entrance of your house. Once you enter, and this will be your living and the dining area, the spacious living area with a beautiful interior work done for your reference, which has a connecting balcony as well. So here's a balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and which will give you beautiful view. And now exactly opposite to it, right here is your dining area where you can set your huge dining table which has an easy access to your kitchen area. Before entering towards your kitchen, here's your sink area. Now, the kitchen is designed in such a way where you can add up your parallel fitting platforms, which has again connected utility area as well. The connected utility area with anti-skid flooring, iron railing and with a machine provision. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So basically here the bedrooms are placed in the opposite side. So this side is your bedroom number 1. So let's move inside your bedroom number 1, and once you move in, you can check out the space over here with a huge bed space. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now the wardrobes place. The wardrobe space is over here. Attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2 is right on my right hand side over here. So once you move out from your bedroom number 1, here you have to take this foyer area. And now the interior speaks out for itself. So basically this is designed as a kid's bedroom with a bed space, a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this bedroom, and here's a study table for your kids. This is the dressing area with your wardrobes. And now this bedroom has attached washroom as well right here with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location too, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit for free by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So just you have to walk through your living and the dining area. And this side is the entrance for your master bedroom with this void area again for your privacy. And now, here's the ample of space in this room to move around this room with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, TV unit space, wardrobe space is right here where you can even add up your work table. Attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. One thing to mention over here, the north-facing, ocean-facing apartment will be having bay window in one of the bedroom. Isn't it beautiful? So now as you all know, we are here at Kedambakkam location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you're looking for more details of the project, you do not have to roam and search for the details. All is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.